Good morning, students. Today we are starting 13.2 question second, that is to simplify and express in exponential form, means power form. Now this is given to you. The first step that you have to do in these types of sum is wherever composite number is given. You know composite number जिसके 2 से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं, 4, 32, ठीक है। तो इनको हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स में 2 2 ज़ा 4, 32। अगर आपको 2 रेज टू पावर 5 पता है इट्स ओके, अदरवाइज मेक द फैक्टर्स 2 16 ज़ा 2 8 ज़ा 2 4 ज़ा 2 2 ज़ा 2 1 ज़ा, वी राइट इट एज 2 रेज टू पावर 5, 32 को लिखा है। नाउ when bases are same and multiplication is there, we will add the powers. Okay, 2 raised to power 5 I have written first and then 3 to make it more easy. Now 3 plus 2 5, 3 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5 and 3. Now in division powers will be subtracted. So 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 5 minus 5 and 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. डिनोमिनेटर की ही पावर आगे आनी है, ये नहीं है कि ग्रेटर है तभी, otherwise also. So 2 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 3, किसी की भी पावर 0 है, that is equal to 1. 3 raised to power 3. So 1 into 3 raised to power 3 means this. Now same second. Now we will multiply this power. 5 raised to power 2 3 is a 6 into 5 raised to power 4 divide by 5 raised to power 7. Bases are same, so we will add the power. 6 plus 4 10. Now again bases are same, divide है तो powers will be subtracted. 10 minus 7, that is 5 cube. Is it clear? Now again see third part, 25 raised to power 4. Now 25 को सबसे पहले फैक्टराइज 5 स्क्वायर, 5 5 से 25 होता है, 5 स्क्वायर मीन्स 25 को लिखा, ये 4 पावर एज इट इज 5 क्यूब. नाउ powers in the form mn, so you will multiply 5 raised to power 2 4s are 8 divide by 5 raised to power cube. Now division is there, bases are same, so we will subtract and we will get 5 raised to power 5 is the answer. Is it clear? Now again fourth part, 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to power 8, 21 into 11 raised to power cube, which is composite 21. तो composite number को हम क्या लिखेंगे, we will break it into prime, we will make prime factors. 3 7s are 21, so 3 7s are, in place of 21 I have written 3 7s are 11 raised to power cube. Now in division we have bases same, तो पावर जिसकी कुछ नहीं होती मीन्स 1, 1 minus 1, 7 2 minus 1, 11 8 minus 3. बेसिस सेम है, मैं पावर्स को माइनस कर रही हूँ. 3 raised to power 0, 7 into 11 raised to power 5 and you will get 3 raised to power 0 means 1 into 7 into 11 raised to power 5. This is the, you may write 7 into 11 raised to power 5 is the answer. Now fifth part, 3 raised to power 7 divide by 3 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 3. So 3 raised to power 7, पहले डिनोमिनेटर देखिए, bases are same, powers will be added, 4 plus 3. So you will get 3 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 7. Now again bases are same, but now division is there, so we will subtract the power. आपने बार बार again and again I am repeating, bases are same, multiplication is there, then you will write, you can write 3 raised to power 0, or you know whenever the power is 0 of any integer the answer is 1. Now again 2 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer 3. Now 7th part, we will be doing 2 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 0 into 4 raised to power 0. The difference is just of addition, and here it is multiplication. 1 into 1 into 1. When we multiply 1 into 1 into 1, we will get the answer 1 only. Now again 8th part, 3 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 0, and here it is multiply 5 raised to power 0. 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 1 is 2 is the answer. So just you have to remember the rules of the exponents कि बेसिस सेम है, पावर्स ऐड हो जाती हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, और डिवीजन के केस में पावर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट होती हैं. a raised to power cube. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ 4 इज कंपोजिट. पहला स्टेप हमेशा यही करना है कि आपने कंपोजिट नंबर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने. 4 की जगह मैंने क्या लिखा, 2 स्क्वायर, और 4 की पावर क्या थी, 3, तो ये 4 की पावर है, इनटू a क्यूब. ये 4 की जगह 2 स्क्वायर और क्यूब. नाउ अगेन 2 raised to power 8, a raised to power 5. पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी, 2 3 ज़ा 6 इंटू a raised to power क्यूब. नाउ सी, अब बेसिस सेम, डिवाइड में पावर्स माइनस. a raised to power 5 minus 3, you will get 2 square into a square, and you may write 2a whole square. Why? क्योंकि अब पावर सेम है, बेसिस डिफरेंट है, तो हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करके पावर लिख सकते हैं. नाउ द 10th I am doing a raised to power 5 a cube into a raised to power 8. Bases same, powers will be subtracted. a raised to power a square a 8, bases same, powers add हो जाएंगी. 2 plus 8 10 is the answer. Now we will break 4. 4 को हम फैक्टराइज कर लो, या बेसिस सेम है तो डायरेक्ट ऑल्सो वी कैन अप्लाई. 5 minus 5 into a raised to power 8 minus 5 into b raised to power 3 minus 2. डिवीजन में सेम बेसिस हैं, पावर्स माइनस. यहाँ मैंने 4 को ब्रेक क्यों नहीं किया, बिकॉज बेसिस वर सेम. आई जस्ट यूज द रूल ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. 4 raised to power 0, a raised to power 3 into b, and something raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So you get a cube b is the answer. Now last part, bases same, powers will be added. This is 1. If nothing is there, 1. So 3 plus 1 4 raised to power 2. Now a raised to power m raised to power n, we will multiply 2 raised to power 4 2s are 8. This is the answer. Now in question number 3rd, we have said true or false. Justify your answer. 10 into 10 raised to power 11 equals to 100 raised to power 11. We have to show this. You know, I will break 100. You know 100 means 10 tens are 10 square, और इसकी पावर क्या है, 11. This means I am solving this right hand side only. Okay. So 10 raised to power 2 11s are 22, and on left hand side we have 10 into 10 raised to power 11 means 10 raised to power 1 plus 11 12. Now compare 10 raised to power 12 and this is 10 raised to power 22 means 10 will be multiplied 22 times. So naturally 10 raised to power 12 is smaller than 10 raised to power 22. So this is false statement. These are not equal. Now in second part we are given 2 cube is greater than 5 square. See, left hand side when I solve 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and right hand side 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. So which is greater? This is greater. So this statement is true. Sorry, this statement is false. Is it clear? And you may write this is smaller than 25. So this statement is false. Now again, this is given on right hand side we have been given 6 raised to power 5. अब 6 को अगर ब्रेक करूं 2 3 ज़ा 6 और पावर क्या है 5. इसका मीनिंग क्या है that 2 raised to power 5 as well as 3 raised to power 5, and here we are given 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power is clear. This is left hand side. So are these equal? No, this is greater. Therefore the statement is false. And in fourth statement we are given 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1000 raised to power 0. So right hand side किसी की भी power 0 है, it is equal to 1, and 3 raised to power 0 is also equal to 1. So we can say that statement is true. So these two questions you have to complete in your notebooks for today. That's all. Have a good day.